Well, new at 6, a huge day at the U.S. Supreme Court where the future of abortion rights hangs in the balance. Hundreds of protesters descended on the nation's capital as the 9 justices heard arguments in a case that could overturn Roe v. Wade. KPIX 5's John Ramos with how some local students see the future shaping up.
If the Supreme Court overturns a 50-year-old right to abortion, what other rights might be under review? America is undergoing a political climate change, and we came to talk to the generation that will have to live with it. The issue of abortion forces the court to choose between the rights of women versus the rights of unborn children.
You can't accommodate both interests. You have to pick. That's the fundamental problem.
Even abortion rights supporters admit there will likely be enough votes to gut Roe v. Wade, if not overturn it completely. At Cal State East Bay, students in Samantha Francois' sexual history class are a bit stunned by the whole thing.
We're going backwards with what people are allowed to do with their bodies, and that is really unfortunate, and it's scary, honestly. It's very scary.
They've grown up thinking access to abortion was a constitutional right, certified by the Supreme Court. Now that same court seems ready to take that right away.
It kind of just destroys my confidence in just the law. If stuff like this is so easily challenged or overturned.
50 years we've lived with Roe v. Wade, which says there's a constitutional right to abortion. There is no constitutional right to abortion. You can search the whole text.
Opponents of Roe v. Wade say the right to abortion was invented by the court and should be abolished. But constitutional law professor Margaret Russell says there are other rights that could be threatened by that same argument.
I would think that same-sex marriage could be another in the way that it intersects with religious liberty and religious objections. Voting rights is certainly that as well. So it's not even just sort of the beginning of a rollback of rights. I think it's significantly far down the road.
The students are learning that rights should not be taken for granted. They are bestowed by men, not God, and they can be taken away.
Never really thinking that it could be, repealed. I think a lot of people have forgotten what it means to have to fight for something like that.
In Hayward, John Ramos, KPIX 5.
Planned Parenthood says 26 states are prepared to ban or severely restrict abortions. 15 of them have so-called trigger laws that would take effect immediately if Roe v. Wade is overturned.